Hello everyone, I hope you're all safe at home and healthy in light of our current situation. It's time for another episode of Outside the Box with me, Nendo Boy. This is where we review some of the latest action figures and collectibles in the market. And this is also where I teach tutorials and tricks to help you with your toy photography. So for today's episode, it's tutorial time. I will teach you 2 simple techniques on how you can make your figures float. So stay tuned and watch my full video to learn different ways to achieve this effect. Before we begin, I would like to thank KG Figure for sending the Nendoroid that we will use for this tutorial. If you're looking for Nendoroids and other action figures, please check out their Facebook page for more of their amazing products. Alright, let's start. First, I will show you the materials that we need. First, we need our action figure. For this tutorial, I will use Nendoroid Ochako from the anime My Hero Academia. I think she will be perfect for this scene cause her powers are all about anti-gravity and she usually makes things float. And that's what we want to show in this tutorial. Second, you will need your background and base. Usually, I use a styrofoam diorama or base so it will be easier for me to stick things. Third, you will need props to levitate. Fourth, you will need wires. Any wire that is sturdy and you can bend is perfect. And fifth, you will also need blue tacks or adhesive tapes. And that's all you need, and we can now proceed with our first step, which is building our scene. First, we just need to assemble our scene. Just stick the blue tack on your wire and attach it to your props. You can also choose not to use a diorama and shoot outdoors, but since we can't go out that much, I would rather build a scene indoors and just recreate my setting. And when your setup is complete, just take your photo and you're done. Once you're happy, we can now proceed with the magic of making your action figure float. Now the trick here is to erase the wires as much as possible, and there are 2 ways to do this. First is by using your computer, and the second option is by just using your mobile phone. Let's start with technique number 1, which is erasing the wires using your computer. So first step is just upload your finished photo to your computer and open the image on Photoshop. Then for step 2, we will use the clone stamp tool to erase the Nendoroid stand and base. Just click on this icon in your toolbar, or you can press S for shortcut. Long press the icon and then click Clone Stamp Tool. Step 3. Hold Alt and click on the area that you want to be cloned. Usually this is the area near your stand. So release Alt and then click on the area that you want to be removed. In this case, we are erasing the Nendoroid stand. What it does basically is it replicates any area in the image that you want to clone, and it applies that to the area that you want to be removed. Just repeat the process until you erase all of the Nendoroid stand. Now for step 4, we are going to remove the wires using the spot healing brush tool. So this is the icon for the tool, or you can just press J for the tool shortcut. Now step 5 is using this tool. Just click and drag your spot healing brush tool to the wires on your image and it will automatically remove the wires. So just repeat the process until you have erased all the wires in your image. Step 6, as soon as you're happy, just save your image and you're done. It's super easy. Now let's move on to technique number 2. This is how you erase wires with just using your mobile phone. Now this is perfect for those who are not familiar with Adobe Photoshop. All you need to do is download the app called Retouch. You can find this in any app store or Google Play Store. Now I already have this app, so I will just open it. And one downside of this app is there are certain features that will not work if you do not purchase the app. So for this tutorial, I will show you the purchased features since I already bought this app and I've been using it mostly on my toy photography. Now using this app is very easy. Step 1, just click on the albums and look for your final image. Click on that image and it will load to your work window. Now step 2, click on the object removal icon and paint on the stand that you want to remove. Then click go and it will automatically remove that area for you. It's basically just like magic. Step 3 is cleaning your edges, so just use the clone stamp tool and click on the area that you want to replicate and apply it on the area that you want to remove. Now for step 4, for the thinner wires, you can remove this using the line removal tool. Just click on the line removal icon and click and drag on the wire that you want to remove. Apply this to all the wires until you remove all of them. Step 5, export your image and you're done. Again, easy peasy. Okay guys, that's it for now and thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was able to help you learn something new today. Try it out and practice. Show me your work and tag me when you upload your photos in your social media. Now guys, if you have any other questions about this tutorial or if you have requests of techniques that you would want to learn, just let me know in the comment section. You know I always love to hear from all of you. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not yet a subscriber of my channel and you like my content, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell and follow me on my social media accounts. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you will continue to support me and watch my other videos. That's it for now, but always remember to stay safe, be kind, and be awesome. Ciao mata, bye bye.